This is the right one for this truck.
No, this one, this long drop.
Ranch hand deserves the factory style elbow.
No, that's not right. This is the long drop elbow. This is what's cool. This is the...
If we were building a modern hot rod, I mean, this is what you put on 90% of the stuff that rolls through this shop.
That's an awesome
People want to see the factory elbow. Yeah, this custom aftermarket stuff has a place and time, but not on the ranch hand.
We're living in the past, man.
This is what this era truck would have came with, not this. You're wrong.
No.
You're mad, man.
You're not.
Come back to your senses. Matter of fact, what we're going to do, we're just going to put this out to the audience. Do you agree with Bossman? We should have the factory style retro vintage elbow or this modern long drop that Forst wants. The right answer, the wrong answer. Let us know what you think, because this guy has lost touch with reality.